We won't be training heavy today. We are just hopefully the gym is empty.
So this is the only exercise I make sure I warm up really well. You might be very strong, but show the strength in this. You don't have to go too heavy.
So hi guys, welcome back. It's been a while since I recorded a vlog. So here it is today. Today we'll be training legs and traps as per the current workout plan that I am following. Since I've been recording the muscle building workout plan for y'all, so I thought why not I just make a vlog of it. I mean, I'm just recording videos of me talking and that might be quite boring. So I thought I'll just make a vlog today. We won't be training heavy today. We are just doing a light workout and I'll just record it for you all. As this is my deload week, and yeah, we won't be pushing too hard today. Just a light deload workout. Hopefully the gym is empty. If the gym is empty, I could use my mic and record the vlog talking in the gym itself, or else I would have to do a voiceover. I'm just still getting used to vlogging. I mean, in the gym I feel a bit uncomfortable talking and making a video for y'all when people are working out next to me. So hopefully if it's empty, I would do that, or else I have to just do a voiceover recording the exercise for you.
So we start with inchworm. Make sure your hips are open properly. Some scapula push-ups. Loosen those hamstrings a bit. So once we are done with the normal stretches, we would start with good morning. I'll show you what good morning is. So we'll be doing around 2 sets. 2 sets for 10 reps. This is also part of your warm-up. Now let's just add some weight. I guess 10 kg would do good. 10 kgs is good, I guess. Just 10 more reps. Now let's just start with the squats. This is your warm-up set. Four to 5 reps, that's it. So even this is my warm-up set. I'll just be doing around 5 to 6 reps, that's it. Since today we are only doing a very light workout, I won't be warming up much. But if I am training hard, I almost do 3 to 4 warm-up sets until I reach 100. So I start with 20 kgs, I mean 60 kgs, then I go to 80 kgs, and then I start with 90, and then I go to 100. Then my working set starts from 110 or 120. So today it's just a light workout. So 20 kgs, we'll be warming up one more set, and the working set would be around 80 kg or maybe 100. Yeah. So my working set would start from 100 kgs. Let's see how it goes. So this is the only exercise I make sure I warm up really well, because you can't risk with those legs, bro. You never know when you pull your hamstring, your glutes. Make sure you warm up properly before you hit that working set. So this one, should I keep this as my working set? I don't think so. Maybe I'll do my working set from 95, not 100, or maybe 90. I don't know. Let's see how this feels, and then we'll decide. Felt good. I guess I would start my working set from 100 kg. The last set went too easy, bro. So this is a working set. We'll be doing 3 working sets for 8 to 10 reps. Looked good, bro. Easy. So the next exercise would be leg press. So leg press we'll be doing around 10 to 12 reps. You don't have to go too heavy on this, but yeah, you need to progressively overload, but you don't need to go heavy on this. Not too heavy, I mean a little bit heavy is fine. So we'll be doing 10 to 12 reps. Make sure you don't lock your knees. after squats, we'll be doing RDLs. And one more thing, there's no point in going heavy on the leg press. You either go heavy on the squat rack, bro. You don't go too heavy on the leg press. You will be seeing guys like going 250, 200 on the leg press. When you're not able to squat the same weight, you don't need to go so heavy. It doesn't make sense. You might be very strong, but show the strength in this. This is the primary exercise that helps you build those quads. You can use the Smith machine as well, yeah. Just don't go too heavy on the leg press and you're good to go. It's been a while since I did RDLs. This exercise isn't in my current workout. So yeah, we are only going 60 kgs for today. So you can either use the dumbbell or the barbell. I would say use the barbell. You get a better stretch with the barbell. 10 to 12 reps, 3 sets. Make sure the bar touches your shin. Feel the stretch, then pull back up. Squeeze your glutes as you come up. Ten to 12 reps. So after the RDLs, we'll move on to leg curls. Yeah, leg curls will be doing around 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. You need to be pushing every set to failure, close to failure. Don't just simply lift for the sake of lifting and then taking rest. Push every rep, every set to your failure, and then you see how your body changes. So 3 sets of leg curls, 10 to 12 reps or 8 to 10 reps, depending on how you feel. Maybe 8 to 10 reps, let's see. I have a bit of a storage issue in my phone, so I won't be able to record all my sets. So I'm just recording 1 or 2 to just show you guys. The next exercise would be standing calf raises. If your gym doesn't have a standing calf raise machine, you can also use the Smith machine with a step. That would make it easier. It's the same. So this one will be doing 3 sets until failure. 3 sets until failure. Hold it on top and feel the stretch on the bottom as well. Hold it for 2 seconds and then explode up. Hold it for 2 seconds and then go down slowly. Feel the stretch on your calf. Explode up. Hold it for 2 seconds. Go down slowly. I didn't train my upper body today, but let's see how it looks. There's no pump, nothing. Without pump, let's see how my body looks. It's been almost 2 weeks that my weight is fluctuating around 64 and 65. We started this diet when we were in 71 kgs. I haven't been doing steps. It's purely just the diet. Soon I'll be starting with 10k steps every day. Yeah, 10 to 15k maybe. I'll aim for 10k, but good if we go to this 15k steps as well. So now it's just 65 or 64. We need to add those steps as well, and maybe get to 62 and start our bulk. So let's see how it goes.
So we trained only legs today. Let's see how the pump is on my upper body.
We keep on moving, we keep on moving along, we keep on rolling,
Let's see how my legs look.
slowing it down. We keep on moving, we keep on moving along, we keep on rolling. Yeah, no, we ain't slowing it down. Let's go.
We ain't slowing down, baby, come and show me how. Gotta do it right now, you know you gotta hold me down. Cannot let the moment pass, good things they never last. Pull up in a whip, you know I had to hit the gas. Yeah, that's premium, pull up with a team and ain't worried about the other side, they know that they ain't beating them.
Now we are heading back home. So in the next video, I'll be dropping the shoulder focused push workout. And if you are interested, please stick around. I didn't go too heavy today. I just did a very light workout as it was my deload week. And yeah, it feels good getting ready for the next coming week to push even harder. So next week, we would be adding the steps as well. We'll be aiming around 10k steps a day. Yeah, hopefully 10k. And if I have time, maybe 15k as well. As my weight has been fluctuating from 64 to 65. Guys, if you liked the video I made today, please drop a comment. It would really mean a lot to me. And if you have any question relating to your gym or your exercise, you can DM me on my Instagram or you can just drop a comment on my YouTube. I would be more than happy to answer your queries. So until then, stay consistent, trust the process, and I'll see you in the next one.